This particular group is actually sponsored through the Pleasant Valley Education Foundation. They have been a fantastic group. They've actually created teams, created tournaments out here, and actually got like 12 to 16 teams actually going each year.
I've been doing this for 3 years.
I just love it. It's nothing better.
I'm dealing with my favorite favorite toy that's made out of plastic, Lego. I like Legos and I like to build stuff out of them, and how to program the robots, it looks cool.
They love playing with the Lego, and then they accidentally learn science as part of it. And that's the greatest part, is that they don't even realize how much they're learning.
I learned how to communicate with others and how to program stuff on the computer.
You can tell to go, for example, go forward 50 rotations, turn right, go 20 rotations, go backwards 5 rotations, and so on.
This is breakdancing, and then it goes forward, it turns right sort of, goes backwards, goes forwards, goes backwards, and then it breakdances at the end like a breakdance victory.
I am a former computer scientist, and what's the challenge for me is to sit back and let them do it and not try to give them the answers right away. It teaches them problem solving. It's more than just about playing with Lego or more than just about programming a robot, but it includes developing research skills. It includes learning to work as a team and feel like they're part of a group.
It really teaches you teamwork skills.
How to cooperate with everybody.
It's a great program they put together, and the kids are learning more than just programming, but just working together, and their skills as a team have improved immensely. And as coaches or mentors, it's just push them in the right direction, not give it to them. I think that's the whole part of the program, don't do it for them. And then they look and kind of take them back, and hey, let's just go have some fun with a robot. All right, let's come back to the problem, and they look at it and go, oh, that's the problem. And then you see the light go on, and they're like, oh, I can do this. And then they just do this incredible amount of work again until they get to the next block, and then they work through that. So each block is a great building process for them. It gets their confidence up. They go, I can do this. And it makes them think outside the box, which is huge.
Building the robot was kind of hard.
It's a lot of work, but it's worth it.
You actually have to build and program the robot. You don't just have to build a robot and then it does whatever it's supposed to do. You actually have to build it from scratch, and you can just make it do almost anything you want it to.
See, this red light tracks the blue line over there.
I'm very impressed with the camp here and thankful for it as well, giving the kids an opportunity to really get into the programming, which is the crux of this. I'm dealing with the younger side. I have 2 9-year-olds and 3 10-year-olds, and the biggest challenge for them is being able to overcome the hurdle of frustration when they get to a problem that they are not immediately able to solve. They don't have the wiring to be able to cope with that and get past it and figure out how to slow down and do the troubleshooting part of it. So that in and of itself is going to be a huge lesson, life lesson for them to be able to try to learn about when am I coming to my boundary, how do I deal with that, and what's the productive way to get past it. This is live video games over here, you know, and I think that's pretty cool.
The children who are involved in the first Lego League have a greater success chance of attending college, beyond college, basically into postgraduate and even doctorate schools. We've shown that as the percentage. It's like 40% go to college as opposed to 66% who attend the FLL. So it gives them a great base into the science field. Secondly, engineers are born from the FLL. You can see that it's 16% of kids go to engineering, whereas opposed to it's like 56% who attend the FLL go into some sort of engineering field.
When I grow up, I want to get a degree in some kind of engineering, so this is really helping me.